Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a bullet point to your Google Docs document. First, you must place the cursor where you want to insert the bullet point later. In my case, I'm going to insert the bullet point here, so I'm going to place my cursor right here. After that, go to this menu that is called Bulleted List. And then you can start typing some item to populate your bullet point. Let's say I'm going to copy this item and I'm going to paste without formatting. Now I have my first bullet point in my document. Now let's say you're not happy with this icon. You can always change it by going to this menu again, but this time around click on the inverted triangle icon and then you can change to whatever style you want. Let's say I'm going to pick this style for the bullet point. Now the bullet point has a different icon. But if you have a content or a list that you want to organize or you want to make it look more structured, you can select any list or you can select any item on your list like this and then click increase indent. So it will create an indentation, meaning that this part is going to be belong of this part. It's almost like you're creating a subheading in bullet point. So this is very useful to keep everything organized. But in this example, I'm using a grocery list, so I think it is more appropriate to use a bullet point that has an icon that allows me to click on it to interact, to check that the list has been crossed out. Here's how you can do that. I'm going to select this item again, and I'm going to click on this. Now the bullet point has becoming a checklist. You can click on it to give a mark that this item has been bought or has been crossed out. And this is very useful to help you organize your shopping list. And that's it for now. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on next video.